Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on this Wildcat Wednesday, and there's a great unique opportunity coming up here middle of the month, and we're going to hammer home a few points here. That number one, it is absolutely free. Number two, it's open to anybody 13 to 18 years old. And number three, what great skills they're going to walk away from this course that is being opened up by our good friends at the Wildcat Extension District, joined by Francis Graves this morning. Francis is the Director and Community Vitality Agent. Francis, number one, thank you so much for your time. Two of the skills that kids are going to walk away with from this are deliberation and facilitation. And it's easy for you and me in the audience to talk about that. But when kids 13 to 18 maybe hear, fancy names like that, how do you describe what they're going to be able to take away from this class?
So I would describe deliberation as being different than debate. We're kind of all used to the idea of debate, which is trying to prove your point and get someone to change their heart or their mind to agree with you or to win. But deliberation is more of a careful conversation technique of expressing all of the different sides of an issue and allowing everyone through facilitation to kind of create that safe space for everyone to feel like their opinions can be viewed, that people are practicing listening as well as talking and active listening and asking questions related to follow-up. Even if it's something that makes someone feel uncomfortable, a facilitator learns how to progress the conversation into that deliberation versus that debate, that ability to learn from something and to learn about someone versus trying to just win your opinion over theirs.
And these courses are coming up on Tuesday, the 14th, and Thursday, the 16th, and it's in the evening, it's online, it's absolutely free. What do you hope as the host of this meeting that our kids are able to walk away with and transport into their adult lives?
Sure, it's actually the 16th and the 18th.
My bad.
Thursday. No worries, it's the week right before Thanksgiving, so I'm really hoping that we'll get some teenagers on who want to make change. That's the time of their lives that they can see what's going on and they want to have a positive impact as they get older and enter the world as adults. And I want them to be able to approach the holidays with some tools to be able to take some contentious issues and some really complicated issues that people are facing in all of our lives right now, and to have skills to maybe move the conversation away from debate into that deliberation where maybe we can find more of a common ground and understand each other a little bit better.
Maybe able to pass that on along the Thanksgiving table there around the rest of the family members as well. When we talk about that age group, 13 to 18, and of course, as you move toward 18, we're talking about filling out college applications. Colleges are looking at what skill set you have that transitions to their curriculum as well. And I understand that anybody that goes through this training on the 16th and 18th, you're actually going to walk away with a certain certificate.
Yeah, that's correct. And I think that's an awesome benefit of this training. And it's a virtual training, so anyone can attend 5:30 to 7:30 after practice is over. And they will leave by the second night. They'll leave with a certification as an Institute for Civic Discourse and Democracy trained facilitator. So you can list that on your college applications, your resume, and I think that's going to show that you value this type of deliberate conversation, this ability to try to have people reduce conflict and have them be more productive and effective in their communication, which is a great skill to have. Okay,
so Francis, now that the moms and dads out there, now that we know what's going on, kind of give us the lowdown. And please reiterate, oftentimes we talk so much about 4-H, and rightfully so, on the Wildcat Wednesday, but this is not 4-H specific. So give me the particulars, and how do I sign up?
Correct. So the 4-H program actually gives education to kids across the district. And whether or not you are a member of the club, it is a youth development program for all youth. And this is going to be Tuesday and Thursday on the evening hours from 5:30 to 7:30, both evenings, the week before Thanksgiving. It's an interactive virtual conversation. We can have a maximum of 50 participants. They'll be broken into breakout rooms and practice the skills as they learn them. And there's no cost, and they can register on our website, wildcatdistrict.ksu.edu. Check out our social media pages for that registration link as well, or they can call me directly at 785-331-5378.
And I want to reiterate what Francis said. It is open to anybody 13 to 18, and thanks to the Kansas State Wildcat Extension District, absolutely free. Francis, can't thank you enough. Number one, for your time. Number two, what you do for our communities. Number three, what you're doing for the future of our kids.
Thank you very much.
Frances Graves, she is the Director, Community Vitality Agent with the Wildcat District from the Kansas State Research and Extension Office. Frances, thank you so much. Have a great morning. And once again, all that information also on KOAMNewsNow.com. And we'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.